You might think it's difficult to change the color of the eye in Photoshop, but it's actually a very easy task. The only thing you have to do is to create a new adjustment layer, use saturation, and by playing with saturation, we can change the color of the eye. Of course, right now, the complete image is changing because first we need to invert the layer mask. And we do this by doing Control I. Now it's inverted, so now we can adjust the color of the eye. We will use a soft brush for that. Then we go to brush tool. Here we can choose between different forms. I will use soft round and I will put it on 6 pixels. And so now we can start coloring. We just have to make sure that white is our foreground color. And now I can paint. Oh, first we need to adjust here so we will actually see what we're doing. We don't have to be really careful because we're using a soft brush, and when we colored a little bit too much, by turning it to black, by turning this color to black, we can remove. So we can always undo what we do wrong. Maybe I'll zoom in a little bit more. Don't try to do much on the endings, otherwise it will not look realistic. I'll look if that's a mistake or not. No, it's in the picture. Okay. So we'll go to the other eye. I'll zoom in. I'll put it back to white as a foreground color. A little bit too much here. No. Okay, so now it's done. Now we can play with colors. We can change it to light blue, purple. We can increase or decrease saturation. And we can also add yet another adjustment layer, color balance. And here we can we should first do create clipping mask. Now it's connected to this use saturation. And here we can adjust yet more. So that's it. That's the only thing you have to know to change the eye color.